Alright, here we go. 6 a.m. this morning. I put 200 pounds of tall fescue down. Then they came in and blew the straw. And then shortly after that, Jerome stopped by with a load of 3-inch. So in a couple weeks, we're going to have grass. And don't let anybody tell you that building a house is not stressful. Because we're just getting started. And I didn't document everything on video when I built our house up there. But I'm going to try to do everything on this one. I regret not having a camera running when they were removing that side of the mountain there. But this is a big house. You see that pink flag right there? There should be another pink flag here somewhere going to that one. And then there's one in the corner. And that's the footprint of this house that's going here. It's just ginormous. It's big. But we got our seed and our straw down. I've got seed everywhere. Where we're walking right now, I have seed. Hopefully I can get a start on the lawn before they start building. Because it's easier to make grass grow where grass has already been growing. I've got seed all down there. Let's go. Come on. Come. Get up here. Got seed all the way back up in there. All this has been seeded. So if I'm lucky, after the first couple weeks with seed on the ground, once the grass starts popping up, I'll be able to see where I need to add a little bit more here and there. But the grass, as nice as the dirt is up here, the grass should take over pretty well. Get a couple rains going. But yeah, this is a mountain right here. Man. It's gonna be nice. Don't forget, that is Kent Services in Murphy, North Carolina. Stephen Kent is the proprietor and owner. And this is the kind of beautiful job they do. So thanks for watching.